Guys, and welcome back to Hook Up Entertainment. So the police has finally gone to Brown Mokhotzi's house. And this comes after, Brown Mokhotzi, he had revealed, that there were people who were trying to go after his life. So the police called for Brown Mokhotzi to go to the police station, but the guy refused. And the police has finally gone to his house, to take the statement from him, whether he likes it or not. Now, what the police did is that they took all the cell phones that he had, and they did their search at his home, and collected whatever they collected. But the thing is that, this is not the first time, they have been going there to his house. Because the thing is that this guy, Brown Mokhotzi, he is someone of very serious importance, He is a huge person of interest at the Matlanga Commission and the Ad hoc Committee. So there is a very important reason, for him to be protected from whatever threats that he is facing. So there are developments, to put Brown Mokhotzi under a state witness protection. And this mostly means, that maybe Brown Mokhotzi is about to spill the beans on the likes of Senzo Mchunu, Vusumuzi Matlala, etc. So if Brown Mokhotzi faked that entire thing, then maybe it worked, because now he is going to be getting state protection. I'll catch you guys on the next one.